Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by defining the exact problem, inputs, desired outputs, and how you will measure success. Once done, pick the Python version and 1-2 libraries that solve the core task quickly. Make a tiny, runnable example that demonstrates the expected result. This reduces ambiguity and speeds debugging. Then create a simple script, scaffold with functions named for each step. Make sure to run the minimal example immediately so you know the environment is correct. Now split the problem into distinct functions or small classes so each piece is testable. Once implemented, run quick tests or assertions and inspect outputs. This iterative loop reveals logic errors fast. Use Python built-ins and list comprehensions to keep code concise and performant, and favor clear variable names so you can reason about flow. If performance matters, profile to find hotspots, otherwise refactor for readability. Make sure to commit small working change. Finish by writing tests for edge cases and validate with real inputs. This ensures your solution holds up beyond the example. Then refactor for clarity, add docstrings, and organize code into modules so it's maintainable. Once satisfied, run the full dataset and monitor results. If something breaks, don't panic. Reproduce the failure on the smallest input, print intermediate state, or step through with a debugger to find the cause quickly. Make sure to fix the root cause, not only symptoms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.